We have heard your requests and are excited to introduce JLC-Tech's Emergency Battery Kit. At JLC-Tech, we are constantly looking to deliver a turnkey solution for your T-bar lighting needs. And we understand that field wiring a battery backup system to a remote driver is not always a straightforward process. This factory-wired LED driver with battery backup for the remote installation allows the T-bar LED to be used for both normal and emergency operation. Utilizing our standard T-bar LED driver, pre-wired to a battery backup, you can be assured the emergency lights will perform identical to the non-emergency T-bar LED lighting during your normal operations. This includes the ability to dim down to 1% using our 0 to 10 volt dimming during non-emergency mode. Up to 8 feet of T-bar LED product can be connected to the emergency kit. During power loss, the kit provides 12 watts of power for 90 minutes. Please reference our spec sheet for specific light output performance during emergency mode. The EM battery kit is compatible with our T-bar LED, T-bar up, and T-bar 2 product lines. Please reach out to your regional sales manager with any questions you may have concerning this new product.